Dude, you ready for this game, man?
Yeah, man, it's gonna be a good one. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the playing of the national anthem as we honor our first ever deaf individual to sing the national anthem.
Yo, dude, that's so talented. To do that without even being able to hear yourself, wow. Are we singing?
Oh, say,
no.
can
No,
you
oh my
see
gosh. Oh.
by the
Are we gonna stop them?
Shut up, dude, you're being disrespectful.
And it's a quick flip to Benjamin Franklin, and he
Let's
gets
go.
in for the first down. Oh, but there's a flag back at the 20.
Oh, no.
Holding. Hey, turn this way. Oh, my bad. Offense, number 67.
No, number 67?
Repeat
What?
third down.
He's out on the field.
Yeah, and that'll be on Abraham Lincoln as he seems a bit frustrated on the sideline, called by our very first blind
referee. That's the whole point of being a referee. What?
And he pushes up through the middle. Can he get through?
No.
He comes up short, bringing up fourth down.
Hey, yeah, we'll take a field goal. Hey, didn't we just draft a new kicker?
I think so, but I don't really remember who.
There's no shot. There's no...
And NCAA football is proud to present the very first kicker who was born without legs.
He has no legs. What is he going to do? That's really the only requirement of even being a kicker.
Ball is snapped. He crawls his way over, jumps on the ball with all his might, and it goes 2 yards.
What does he think was going to happen? Man, it sucks our quarterback got injured.
Yeah, I mean, who's even the backup?
Yeah, that's a good question.
And here comes the first ever quarterback to play with no arms. Yeah, Bill, you said it. His
There's no
wingspan
way.
may be low, but his spirit is high.
Yeah, whatever he said. Hey!
Takes a snap, and it's fumbled! Going back to the 15, he's trying to pick it up, but he can't! It's recovered by the defense, and they will score!